Okay, guys, welcome to the show. How you doing? You remember back in California when I had my buddy Edgar from Pizza Wars and my Burger Wars buddy Joe Chavez on the show, and we did Maximum Mexican Burgers. Do you remember that? And we packed it full of Mexican flavors. We seasoned the meat with Mexican seasonings. It was amazing. We used Mexican rolls. Well, today we're doing the same thing, but we're doing an Italian burger. And this is called the Incredible Italian Burger. Okay, the goal here is to get a nationality and try and pack it into a hamburger. So this is the Italian version. Next one we're doing is the awesome Asian burger. That's going to be fun too. Are you guys ready to look at this? All right, so our patties are going to be made out of hot Italian sausage. We're using provolone cheese. We are using sliced pepperoni. We're using Italian seasoning. We're using pepper rings here. And we've got Bertolli's rustic roasted garlic sauce right here. And then I couldn't do it. I thought get the little Italian rolls. I didn't want to do that. I do not like Italian rolls for hamburger buns. I can't do that. So I had to give that one up to the the King's Hawaiian sweet Italian, today it's an Italian burger bun. But here it is. It's the King's Hawaiian sweet rolls. So if you've ever had the hot dog buns, the hamburger buns, or the rolls, they're all good. Right? It's one of my favorite brands. So I couldn't do the dried out Italian roll. It just wasn't going to work. So you guys ready to put this all together? Let's go. Okay, first thing we're going to do is put oil in the pan. What kind of oil are we using? Olive oil, of course. It's an Italian burger. There we go. Now let's get this lit. Make sure you got a flame. Yep, got a flame. Alright, first thing we're going to do is put the Italian seasoning into the sausage meat. Sausage meat is just spicy sausage right now. You can never put too much seasoning. Alright, just kind of fold the meat over. Start squeezing it all together. Ooey gooey. Make sure you wash your hands before you start making your patties. Okay guys, what's our little trick again when you're heating oil in the pan? Find if it's ready. That's right. Take a little tiny piece of meat, drop it in there. When it starts sizzling, you know the oil's ready, put your patties in. Okay, you guys, it's sizzling, means the pan's ready. Move the oil around a little bit. See, the oil doesn't even stick to the pan. It's crazy. Get your patty in. Get your next patty in. Get your next patty in. There you go. Alright, let's give them a check. Beautiful. Nice. One more, here we go. That's it. Alright, now that we're done with making our burgers in the back pan, got a little saucepan here. Gonna put our sauce in there to warm our sauce. And this is where you can add garlic, you can add wine if you want. You can spice up. This looks pretty good already, this rustic sauce I chose. But you can add garlic, onion, wine, olive oil, whatever you want in your sauce to dress it up if you're using jarred. If you're making it from scratch, go ahead. Wow. Don't burn your sauce. Give it a good mix. Should only take a few minutes to warm up. Alright guys, everything's done. The sauce is good, the burgers are cooked, the rings are ready, everything's been set out. So let's put these pieces together right now. Okay, place the burger on there. There you go. You're going to want to put a slice of pepperoni on top of that. Put your provolone. Provolone's going to be hanging over the edge. Now, if you want, you can zap this for a few seconds to get the cheese all melty and everything. But I'm not gonna do that. Take some rings. These are pepperoncini rings, the kind you get at Olive Garden. I love these rings. These are great on sandwiches, even if you're not making an Italian sandwich. Okay? And then this is the rustic. This is where it gets messy. Right there. Right there. I think we got everything. I'm sure there's something Italian I forgot. Place these right on top. Give them a little squish around. Whoops. These are going to be messy. Let them sit on that cheese for a little bit and melt that cheese, okay? Okay, guys. So, I see my battery on my camera flashing red right now. So it's going to be a quick ending here. Here we go. Oh, I forgot the sausage was hot. Wasn't ready for that. With the provolone and the pepperoni, real good. That's incredible, guys. That is really incredible. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next episode. Take care. Bye-bye.